friends, we are starting the 9th mathematics CBSE second chapter polynomials NCERT solution in the series. This is the first exercise we are going to start, exercise 2.1. The question 1 is that which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not. State reason for your answer, whether it is yes or no. You have to give the answer. The first question is that 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So this can be written as the power 2. Here is the power 1 and the 7 into x raised to 0 power. In the last only video we have seen that x raised to power or any number raised to power 0 is always 1. Now if we can able to see here, each of the variable is the x only. So therefore it is a polynomial in one variable, that is x, because each exponent or the power is the whole number. So we can see 0, 1 and 2. It is a whole number. So it is a polynomial in the one variable. Next example, second, y square plus root 2 is equals to what? Y square plus root 2. Here is not the power of the y, therefore it can be written as 0 into y raised to 0 power 1 plus root 2 into y raised to 0. So here it is, no, y is not there, so it is the only constant term, so it can be written as y raised to 0 power. So again we can see here is only one variable, that is a y. So it is a polynomial in one variable and all the exponents or all the powers of the y is what? 0. So that is why, because each exponent of the y is a whole number, and that is why it is a polynomial in the one variable. Moving to the next example, 3 into root t plus t into root 2. Now again this can be written as, now root t means what? T raised to half power, t raised to half power, and plus root 2 into t raised to 1. Here nothing, power is not little, that means it is the 1. So it is not a polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? Because though it is a one variable, but the powers of the t are not the whole number. Because one of the exponent, that is the of t is 1 by 2, which is not a whole number, and that is why it is not a polynomial. So we'll continue in the next example. Please stay connected. The fourth example is y plus 2 upon y. So this can be written as y raised to 1. If it is in the denominator, so it is the power raised to y raised to minus 1. So this variable, this polynomial can be written as y raised to 1 plus 2 into y raised to minus 1. Now, though it is in the one variable, but the power is what? Minus 1, which is not a whole number. So answer is, it is not a polynomial, because one of the exponent of the y is minus 1, which is not a whole number. Yes, you need to check whether the variables or the power of the number for the polynomial in one variable. Let's move to the fifth example. X raised to 10 plus y raised to 3 plus t raised to 50. Now check, all the powers are the whole numbers, but if we check that the variable x, y and the t, it is in the three variables. So here we need to check whether one variable or not. So there are the three variables, so it is not the polynomial. So how to write down the answer? Here exponents of the every variable is whole number, but x raised to 10 plus y raised cube plus t raised to 50 is a polynomial in x, y and the t, that is in the three variables, and so it is not a polynomial in the one variable. Here we have completed the exercise 2.1 question number 1. Stay connected with us for the more update, and thank you so much. Subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.